Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer files using Hightail, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Hightail website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Send button on the home page. Click on the Send button to begin transferring files. In the new window, you will see an option to add files. Click on the Add Files button to select files from your device. You can also drag and drop files directly into the designated area. After adding your files, you will see a list of the files you selected. Next, enter the email addresses of the recipients in the appropriate field. You can add multiple recipients by separating their email addresses with commas. Optionally, you can include a message to accompany your files. Check the settings to determine if the files should expire after a certain date. You can also set a password for added security if desired. Review all the details to ensure everything is correct. Once you're ready, click on the Send button to transmit your files. The recipients will receive an email notification regarding the files. They can access the files using the link provided in the email. You can track the status of your sent files within your Hightail account. If you need to send more files, simply repeat the process. Now you know how to transfer files using Hightail effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.